Now I'm going to go up his thoracic spine. People love this, of course. You guys all do this. And the key is you want to come at a 45-degree angle so that you're moving the tissue back toward the spine. To do that best, Ida Rolf really had this technique down. I've never seen anybody else do it before her. Palm up, and everybody goes, well, why does she put her palm up? And of course, no one knows, but she never said, but I think it's because you can hook your ulnar bone. That's a stronger hook. If you need to get a stronger hook with your forearm, always hook with your ulnar, with your palm up. And then as you get a hook, I'm going to come in here till I feel like I've sunk in and got some sort of a connection at the restricted barrier. And then I'm going to brace a little bit here. I'm going to start pronating my hand, and he's going to start slowly pelvic tilting again. So go ahead with those slow pelvic tilts, Keith. This helps. No, don't rock. Just go back and forth. There you go. Perfect, perfect. I actually like that rocking, though. It's pretty good, too. Let's try that in a minute. I hadn't had a client ever do that. 40 years, never had a client rock side to side. Good idea. Okay, so notice how I'm hooking it. Now I'm moving it all toward the midline with my flexor fascia, hooking that tissue. Now, I started with the bone of the ulna to get the hook, and then I go into the soft part to connect with his soft tissue. Okay, so let's try that with you. Now he's going to rock side to side, and it's going to put a rotational force through there. So let's try that. Okay, go ahead. Okay, that's good.